So today we have an interesting geometrical problem. We take a circle, now we draw a triangle ABC like this way. Now we can see that at 2 points the circumference of this circle is meeting the side length of the triangle. Let the 2 points be labeled as P and Q and draw a line segment joining these points. Now we can see that because of this line segment PQ, the triangle has been divided into two portions. Let the color of the upper portion be equals to blue and the color of the below portion be equals to pink. And now the question over here is to find the value of area of the blue region upon area of the pink region if PQ upon BC equals to 1 upon 3. So this is Anmol, and now let us see the solution. How can we solve this problem? So first of all, we can see that the value of A upon B is given, that is 1 upon 3. So by doing a simple cross multiplication, we can get the value of B equals to 3 times A. So here we can see that we have got the value of B in terms of A. So in this diagram, I will replace B equals to 3 times A. Now to move further in the solution, I will utilize the fact that in the diagram we have a circle. So because of this circle, the quadrilateral PQCB has now become a cyclic quadrilateral because all these 4 points are lying on its circumference. Now a cyclic quadrilateral is a quadrilateral in which the sum of the angles present at the opposite corner are 180 degree. This means if I take the value of angle PBC as a variable theta and the value of the angle PQC as a variable beta, then theta plus beta would be equals to 180 degree. Now from this equation we can clearly say that the value of beta is going to be equals to 180 degree minus theta. So in this diagram, let us replace beta as 180 degree minus theta. Now similarly, if I take the angle QCB as a variable alpha, the value of the angle QPB is going to be equals to 180 degree minus alpha. Okay. Now we can see that this line is a straight line. Here we have two angles. One of the angle is 180 degree minus alpha. Therefore by linear pair, the value of the other angle is going to be alpha. Similarly, here we have a straight line. Here we have two angles. One of the angle has a value 180 degree minus theta. Hence the other angle would have a value theta. Now take the blue triangle, that is the triangle APQ. In this triangle, the value of angle A is angle A. The value of angle P is equals to alpha and the value of angle Q is equals to theta. Now take the complete triangle ABC. Angle A is angle A. The value of angle B is theta and the value of angle C is alpha. Now we can see that in these two triangles, all the three angles are same and just we need to arrange them properly. So I will take the other triangle ABC as the triangle ACB. It's the same triangle, but this time it is according to the correspondence. Angle A equals to angle A, angle C equals to alpha and angle B equals to theta. So line wise over here, this three angle equals to these three angles. Okay. Now all the three angles between these two triangles are same. Therefore the triangle APQ is similar to the triangle ACB by the property of angle, angle, angle. Now to solve this thing further, we have to use a rule related to the similar triangles. Suppose you have two triangles that are similar to each other and the sides are A, B, C and D, E, F, and when they are similar, A upon D was equals to B upon E equals to C upon F. Because these two triangles are similar, these sides are in ratio, this is the given data. Now when two triangles are similar, the area of the triangle 1, so area of the triangle 1, this I take as the first and this I take as the second. So area of the triangle 1 divided by the area of the triangle 2, this ratio would be equals to square of the ratio of their sides, whichever ratio you take between these three. So A upon D the complete square, this thing would be equals to B upon E the complete square, and it can also be equals to C upon F the complete square. Okay. So when two triangles are similar, the ratio of their areas is equals to square of the ratio of their side among the three, whichever you want to take. So here also we can see that these two triangles are similar and the sides ratio over here is AP upon AC equals to AQ upon AB equals to PQ upon CB. Now from the diagram, I can see that the value of PQ is equals to A and the value of BC is equals to B, and that we have got as 3 times A. So here in this ratio, PQ and BC can be replaced with this value. So AP upon AC is equals to AQ upon AB is equals to A upon 3 times A. So A upon 3 times A is ultimately 1 upon 3. Okay. Now as I told you, when two triangles are similar, the ratio of their areas, so area of the triangle APQ, so in this diagram the triangle APQ is the blue triangle, so I simply write the area blue divided by the area of the triangle ACB, that is the complete triangle, and that is ultimately area blue plus the area pink. Okay, that forms the complete triangle, you can notice in the diagram. So this ratio would be equals to the ratio of the sides between the two triangle and this thing, the whole square. Okay, now here we have these three sides in ratio and we can take any of the three. So the best is to take 1 upon 3. So this thing would be 1 upon 3 the complete square. Now 1 upon 3 the complete square is going to be simply 1 upon 9. Now I will do the cross multiplication, so I will get blue area plus the pink area is going to be equals to 9 times the blue area. Now I will simply subtract blue area from both of the side. So on the left hand side will remain with only pink area, and this thing equals to 9 times the blue area minus blue area, that is 8 times the blue area. Now I will divide both of the side by 8 times the pink area. So on the left hand side we can see that the pink area from the numerator and denominator got cancelled out. So it remains only 1 upon 8, and this thing is equals to 8 and 8 got cancelled out on the right hand side, and simply we have the area blue divided by the area shaded in the pink color. And that's the answer that we were looking for. You can see that the question was to find the area blue upon area pink, and that we have got as 1 upon 8. So this was my way to solve this particular problem. If you have any other method other than this, do comment below, and if it's hard to comment you can email me, or else you can send it to me on my Instagram. The link is in the description.